Hi, I'm Joanne, and I'm a tutor here with Wyzant. And I have a problem here that's listed as a physics homework question. And the question is, the edges of a shoebox are measured to be 12.3 centimeters, 18.8 centimeters, and 29 centimeters. And the question is, determine the volume of the box retaining the proper number of significant figures in your answer. So this is a word problem. And what I'd like to do is identify what we are given in our word problem. So first, we're given the fact that we have a shoebox. So I've drawn a shoebox here. It is a rectangular prism. And the sides are measured to be 12.3, 18.8, and 29 centimeters. So I have labeled our box here as 29 centimeters, 18.8, and 12.3. Now, the question that is asking is, it says, determine the volume of the box. And then we have to make sure that we have the right number of significant figures in our answer. So by kind of breaking this down, I see that I'm given the information on the dimensions of the box, and I am asked for the volume of the box, and I need to retain significant figures. So looking at this box, the equation for volume of this box, volume equals length times width times height. So those are that's the equation to figure out the volume of this box. So that's pretty straightforward. We are going to find out what that is by multiplying each of these numbers together. And I note that they are all in centimeters, so they all have the same units, so I don't have to worry about unit conversions. And I'm just going to multiply these values together. So I get volume equals 12.3 times 29 times 18.8. And the answer to that is 6705.96. Now, our problem asks for the correct number of significant digits. And so first of all, let's look at the numbers we have. We have 12.3. Now this one, if I count up, this one has 1, 2, 3 significant digits. Okay. Looking at the 29 here, I only have 2 numbers here. There's no decimal and there's nothing else. This one has 2 significant digits. And my third number here has 1, 2, 3 significant digits. So when you multiply numbers together and you're determining the number of significant digits, you go with the least specific amount that you have, the least number of significant figures you have. And in this case, we only have 2 significant figures. So looking at my number here of 6705, I can only have 2 significant digits here, which would be these two, 6, 7. So the answer to my problem with the correct number of significant digits would actually be 6, 7. And then everything after that is just going to be a 0, 0, 0. Now, I'm not going to put a decimal and more zeros there, because if I were, then I'm actually saying that these zeros are important, and I would actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant digits, but that is not the case. We only have 2. So it is 6,700 centimeters squared or cubed. So that is the answer to the problem.